Homework is a big thing because they come to see me only 1 hour a week. And it's important that they practice those things during the week when they are at home with their children. So I always give homework. I give them very specific to whatever the problem is at that home, in that home. So I give them very specific ways of handling it at different ways and different times so that the child will learn from the little things to the bigger things, like decision making. It's very important for their children to learn decision making, and they can start it when they are little children. Are you going to wear the red top or the yellow top today with your jeans? And so when they are 21 and they are standing there in the lot looking at the cars and figuring out, am I going to buy the Hummer or am I going to buy a Honda? By that time they have already learned how to make decisions because every decision has a consequence.